Welcome to Samad Sciences. In the previous lecture, we discussed about introduction to complement system and its component. In this lecture, we are going to discuss pathways of the complement system activation, which are of three types: classical pathway, lectin pathway, and alternative pathway. Okay, all right, let us start our lecture. There are three different pathways of the complement system activation. The first one is classical pathway, the second one is alternative pathway, and the third one is lectin pathway. These three different pathways are evolved. If microorganism evade from the first pathway, it must be captured by the other pathway. So these pathways capture the pathogen and protects us from the diseases. First of all, we discuss classical pathway. Classical pathway is considered as a part of adaptive immune system because it begins with the formation of antigen-antibody complex. When antigen binds with the antibody, it induces a conformational change in the Fc portion or constant portion of the antibody molecule, which exposes binding site for the C1 component of the complement system. C1 component of the complement system consists of two serine proteases C1R and C1S and one molecule of C1Q. When C1 component bind with the antibody, it induces a conformational change in its serine proteases. First of all, it activates C1R serine protease, which activates its next partner C1S serine protease. In step 2, C1S serine protease has two substrates C4 and C2. First of all, it cleaves C4 into C4 alpha, which diffuses away, and C4 beta. C4 beta fragment attaches covalently to the membrane surface and then combine with C2 component of the complement system. When C4 beta combine with C2 component, the C2 component is cleaved by C1S into C2 beta and C2 alpha. C2 alpha combine with C4 beta and act as a C3 convertase. C4 beta C2 alpha complex is called C3 convertase, which was generated in the second step, has its role in converting C3 into its active form, meaning that C3 convertase cleave the C3 into two fragments, C3 alpha and C3 beta. C3 alpha molecule diffuses away and C3 beta protects the host by presenting microbe to phagocytic cells or to the liver where they are destroyed. C3 beta attaches to the membrane surface of the pathogen and act as a binding tag, which are recognized by the phagocytic cells and result in the lysis of the pathogen. Some molecule of C3 beta also combine with C3 convertase to form C5 convertase. In step 4, C5 convertase cleave the C5 component of the complement system into C5 alpha and C5 beta. C5 alpha diffuses away and play their role in the inflammation reactions. C5 beta attaches to the membrane surface and initiate the formation of the membrane attack complex, which form pore in the pathogen membrane surface, result in the lysis of the pathogen. So this was about the classical pathway of the complement system activation. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.